Trying to create a Facebook account on your Android phone but not sure how? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to sign up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, make sure you're installing the official Facebook app by Meta. Now open the Facebook app on your phone and tap Create New Account at the bottom. Now enter your first name and last name. Tap Next. Use your real name so friends can find you easily. After that, select your date of birth. You must be at least 13 years old to create a Facebook account. Then choose your gender. Tap Next. Here, enter your mobile number or tap Sign Up with email instead. Tap Next. Now create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. And tap Next. Then tap Agree with Facebook's terms and conditions. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now ready, and enjoy the feed. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Android tips, and leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.